spoken, how the students they face the problem while speaking in English. See, so many problems are there, so many hazards are there. We will not hesitate in speaking English. So this type of motivation you should have with you. Never give up. हमें कभी भी छोड़ना नहीं है. प्रैक्टिस बनाकर रखनी है. We will have to speak in English. We will speak in English. We are speaking. So this is the spirit. So now let us discuss how to fulfill our dreams. Problems I had discussed with you. Now I am coming to solution. And one thing I will just tell you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you may get all the videos regularly. First of all, I will discuss listening. What is happening every time we don't have the atmosphere of listening? Generally, all the students and all other people, they speak in Hindi. So we will have to work by ourselves. हम अपने भाग्य के स्वयं निर्माता हैं. What you will do? Every day listen one passage at least 6 or 7 times regularly. There are videos also. Never give up this thing. And after listening the para, try to understand, because understanding is also a big factor. Understanding. What you will do? While you will read a para, first of all I am talking about listening. When you will listen the para, you will try to understand it. When you will just listen it 2 or 3 times, you will not understand. So now the further question arises, ma'am, what should we do so that we may understand English? Yes, this is a very potential question. For this point, what you will have to do? Learn every day 10 to 15 words in English. Learning is not sufficient. Understanding will be there, and after that usage. I had already described the word usage before you. Usage. उन्हें प्रयोग में लाना है. Make sentences from those words. Just as if I give you the difficult word, marvelous, Shandar. So what you will say? Yeah, ma'am, the story is marvelous. Now you have described the word. उसको समझा है, वर्णन किया है. So now this one word is ready for you. ये आपके लिए शब्द तैयार हो गया. And you will use the word. You will use the word with your friends, your teachers. You can say to the teacher also, "Ma'am, you are looking today beautiful, marvelous," and surely the teacher will smile. She will be happy that my students, they are speaking in English. So listening should be there every day. Make a timetable that at least for 1 hour I will listen. I will learn 10 to 15 word meaning and use them in my daily language. प्रयोग में लाने हैं. At home also you can use the words. At atmosphere I am making. Surrounding बन रही है. Before this surrounding was not there, but now we are making surrounding. Now I come to reading. It is also very, very important aspect. See here, any passage you take from your course book also, from any story, Even newspaper also you can take and read that para again 7 to 8 times loudly. I have used the word loudly. जोर जोर से पढ़ना है. Why? So that the voice may come into your ear also. आप स्वयं सुन सकें. And what you will do? While you will be reading, at that time what you will do? Underline the difficult words at the same time. And write those words in separate copy. Your word meaning are also getting ready. And when you will read 2 or 3 times, you will not understand again, like listening. But what you will do? You will see the difficult words meaning, Hindi from dictionary or from your elders, from your teachers you can ask. And further you read it again. And surely student, I will say with guarantee that you will understand the para. Surely. And in the reading session also, it is not necessary that you will read only newspaper. No. Read the interesting stories also. Now online so many material is coming every day. You can enjoy that material. It is not necessary that you will see only the bookish language. You will see only your course books. No. Our field is very wide because we are learning, and when we learn a thing, we will have to go a step further and further. So please keep this thing in your mind. So after reading the passage, you can do the question answer from it, so that your question answer, your language also may improve. Grammar also you can take from that. What is pronoun here? I have already discussed all those things. Noun, pronoun, adverb, adjective. Underline and write separately. Now come to the next. The most important thing has come. Speaking. Now you can see your field has enlarged too much. You have read a lot. You have listened a lot. And now what is the thing has come? Students, be happy. Speaking. Try to speak in English now. The words, sentences, the story that you wrote. So many things you wrote. So many things you read. You narrate it by yourself. If no one is there, no problem. Record your voice. And again listen it. At that time you will come to know your problems. What were the problems? What were the grammatical mistakes? And listen, please don't go for the grammatical mistake. Let them be. You only see for how much time you are speaking in English. And the same thing you will narrate to your teacher in the classroom at that time. That yes ma'am. And all the students will be surprising. Oh, see, the boy or the girl is speaking such a nice language. And now I come to the session, the next, that is writing. Now your 3 skills are over and come to writing. That is the last skill. Students, go on writing. You write, no problem. But you understand what you have written. And here, what will be in writing? You write the stories by your own. You write small sentences. It will help you a lot. You narrate the incident. Be creative. अपने आप से कुछ लिखो. In your 9th, 10th exam, 11th, 12th, your all the question paper, they are totally unseen. Everything you have to do by your own. So to boost up your creativity, start writing from very today. For what you will do? Read, listen, speak. And our government also introduced ASL, Assessment of S speaking, and L is, tell me this thing, listening. Speaking and listening. And so many other programs are also coming every day in our school. In your colleges also, any student, so many things are there to learn. So, students, after that, we come to our next step, that is tense. Because so many skills you have developed with you, and one thing I will surely tell students, please don't use Hindi in your WhatsApp messages. What is happening? Students, they write message in English. क्या कर रहा? I even don't know how to write. What is going on? So they will write it. क्या हो रहा है? KYA, like this. क्या हो रहा है? This thing totally should be banned. इस चीज को हमें खत्म करना है. This is our biggest problem in learning English. So, how to speak in English? We will have to go through tenses. And if you do all these things, what I have taught, I have told you about the atmosphere, I have told you the learning factor, I have told you understanding, speaking, listening, reading, writing. Atmosphere is ready, surroundings are ready, so don't hesitate. Say with confidence, yes man, I can speak English. So we all are ready. You are? Yes, all are ready. So bye students. In my next video, I will do tense with you. Bye.